Let's do some calculation regarding topic of cube root. Okay, I have 10 questions here. Okay, you can try also to do this calculation for yourself. Okay, let's start with number one here. Find the cube root of 1728. Okay, we know that 2 cube is 8. Okay, because the last digit here is 8. Okay, and because 2 cube is 8. Okay, I know that the result here, the cube root of 1728 must be something 2. Okay, now to find the tens. Okay, we know that 10 cube is equal 1000. Okay, 20 cube equal 8000. Okay, now we see that from the question here, 1700 is greater than 1000, but it is less than 8000. So the tens here is 1. Okay, so the cube root of 1728 is 12. Okay, let's try another one. Find the cube root of 3375. Okay, we know that the result is has is have 2 digits. Okay, the tens and the ones. For the ones is quite easy because we know that 5 cube equal 125. See this 5 here. Okay, so I know this 5 here is the same. So I know that the cube root of 3375 is something 5. Okay, now to find the tens here, follow the same logic before. We know that 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000. See that 3000 is greater than 1000, but it is less than 8000. So the tens is 1. So the cube root of 3375 is 15. Okay, let's try another one. Find the cube root of this fraction of 27 over 64. Okay, we can solve this in separately. This is the same if we solve this like it. Cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 64. Okay, because 3 times 3 times 3 is equal 27, and 4 times 4 times 4 is equal 64. We know that cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4. So the result is 3/4. Okay, next, find the cube root of 1331. Okay, we know that 1 cube is equal 1. So the result, the last digit of the result is 1. We know also that 10 cube is 1000, but 20 cube is 8000. Because 1300 is greater than 1000, but it is still less than 8000. You know that the remaining digit is 1. So the cube root of 1331 is 11. Okay, how about this? Cube root of 6859. Okay, we have to find a number that when it is cubed, the result has 9 in the last digit. Okay, we know that 9 times 9 times 9, or 9 cube, is equal 729. Okay, now to find the tens here, follow the same logic. 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000, because 6000 is less than 8000, but it is greater than 10 cube. Okay, and then you know that the tens here is 10 is 1. Okay, so square cube root of 6859 is 19. Okay, find the cube root of 512. This is the same like this cube root. Okay, the symbol is like this, a radical and a little 3 over there of 512. Okay, basically we want to find a number that when it is multiplied to itself 3 times in a row will yield 512. We know that 8 times 8 times 8 equal 8 times 8 is 64, multiplied by 8 is equal 512. So the result is simply 8 here. Okay, try the next one. Find the cube root of negative 1. Okay, cube root of a negative number has to be a negative number because negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is equal negative and negative will yield a positive, but positive times negative will yield negative number. And if we multiply 1 times 1 times 1 is equal 1. Okay, so the cube root of negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, how about the cube root of negative 8,000? Okay, for the sign, we know that cube root of negative number is must be negative. Okay, 8,000 is quite easy because we know that 20 times 20 times 20 is equal 8,000. So the result is negative 20. Okay, how about the cube root of 3? This is a mixed number, okay, an integer and a fraction. 3 over 8. Okay, we have to make this a regular fraction. Okay? This is the same as 27 divided by 8. So the cube root of 27 divided by 8 is equal to cube root of 27 divided of cube root of 8. Cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 8 is 2. So the result is 3 over 2. Okay, for the final question, find the cube root of negative 8 over 27. Okay, cube root of negative 8 over 27. Cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. So the answer is negative 2 over 3. Okay. Basically, we can use this method to find any cube root of an integer that will yield an integer number. Okay. Okay. What do you think about this sample question? Okay. Let me know in the comment below. Okay. Stay subscribed to my channel School Horizon to get more video like this. Okay. Bye. See you guys next video and have a nice day.